Hello everyone. Nvidia Capital just made a bold move on Nvidia. They upgraded the stock from hold to buy and set a new price target of $250. The SA significant call, especially with Nvidia trading around $189, $190 as of late. February 2026, it implies roughly 32% upside from current levels. And it comes just 2 days before Nvidia's fiscal Q4 earnings report on February 25th. Nvidia is saying this stock is too cheap to ignore heading into earnings, and they expect both the Q4 results and the Q1 2027 guidance to beat consensus expectations. Today I'm going to walk you through why Nvidia is so bullish, what they're basing this on, and what the charts are showing us right now. Let's break it down. Part E. Fundamentals. Why Nvidia sees $250. So what's driving this upgrade to buy and $250 target? Nvidia's reasoning is focused on the bigger AI picture. They believe industry-wide compute capital expenditure is exploding, up 75% year-over-year to around $530 billion in the coming periods. Nvidia, along with its tensor processing unit, TPU supply chain partners, is positioned to capture a share of that value creation. They forecast Nvidia's data center revenue to reach $475 billion in fiscal Q3 2026 through Q4 2027, very close to Nvidia's own guidance of $500 billion. The analyst sees Nvidia as undervalued right now. The stock trades at AP of about 47, but the PEG ratio, price earnings to growth, is only 0.78, suggesting it's attractively priced relative to its expected growth. They expect a strong Q4 report and even stronger Q1 2027 guidance, which could ease concerns about inventory normalization, rack shipments, and demand slowdown fears. In short, Nvidia is saying the recent pullback was overdone. The AI demand story is still very much IVE, and Nvidia is still the leader, with the best positioning to benefit. Part R. Charts. What the price action is showing right now. Now let's look at the chart to see how the market is pricing this in. Nvidia pulled back sharply from its February high, around $149到150美元. It tested the $125美元, 128 zone during the AI capex worry sell-off last week. But on Friday, the stock bounced strongly, closing above the 50-day moving average with solid volume. It's been holding up well since, trading in the $189, $190 range recently. Adjust to live price when recording. Key levels. Support. $185, $188 is the immediate floor. Recent consolidation zone. Stronger support. 180 psychological level. Resistance. $195, $200 is the next ceiling. Major resistance. $205, $210. Breaking here would be very bullish. RSI 14-day is in the low 50s, neutral, and climbing, but is showing early bullish. Crossover volume picked up on the bounce. Good sign of buying interest. The chart is saying the selling pressure from last week looks exhausted. We re in a stabilization relief rally phase. If a Nvidia's $250 target has any chance, Nvidia needs to break $195. $200 first and keep the momentum. Right now it's at a key decision point, holding support, but still needs confirmation to move higher. Conclusion. So here's the bottom line. Nvidia Capital upgraded Nvidia to buy with a $250 target, calling it too cheap to ignore. Into Q4 earnings, they expect strong results and even stronger guidance, because they see the AI demand story as far from over. The charts show the stock stabilizing after the pullback, support holding, momentum turning positive. But we're waiting for a break above $195, $200 to confirm the next leg up. This is a classic tension point. The market is testing whether the bullish case holds. What do you think? Do you buy Nvidia's $250 call, or are you still cautious on Nvidia? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Stay sharp.